I think that's gonna be chunky.
That's disgusting. Oh. Hey, this is what it would look like if a 100-year-old tree took a dump in a cup. All right, today we're building decks.
It's pro versus noob. We're racing to see if Dan the Deck Pro can finish his complex deck before Tullen and I can build our simple deck. Oh, and there's consequences. The losers drinking their lunch blended up.
Yeah, just look at how disgusting it is.
Oh, God.
All right, here's what we're doing, Tullen. We're measuring this out.
Okay.
Yep. And we're gonna make marks. You're taking this triangle. Drop that saw, we're not cutting anything yet. All right, take the triangle.
Well, hopefully this wind doesn't mess with me too much, but we're gonna start by cutting our plates, top and bottom plate at 10 foot. It's like riding a bike. I don't build as much as I like to, but we're getting back to it.
This is 10 feet?
Yep, now, here's what I want you to do. Wow, they gave me a broken tape, dude. It's sabotage. This thing is a piece of crap. Yeah, actually. Okay.
Pre-plan. Think it through. Where's all your stuff gonna go? So I know my decking's 45 inches on center.
I'm gonna start screwing these together. You're gonna cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more of those.
9'9", okay.
Yep.
How's it coming here, Daniel?
Going great, Deej. Going great. So as we were saying, these boards are a little wet. They're fresh from the factory. We use number 1 treated lumber here, as opposed to number 2 or even number 3, which is just garbage. But it's all about just making sure our customers have quality product.
I'm gonna measure twice, Kento. Gonna measure twice.
Got 45 more to finish this guy, huh? I'm gonna have to get out my secret weapon. 3 more.
They're just seeing what we're really capable of, let me tell you. They didn't know, they thought we were inside guys. Go! But we're gonna get him. I already feel good. Look over there. He's got a bunch of cut lumber. He doesn't have a single screw in. And we're ahead of the game.
On to the last studs. Pre-plan, prepare, get everything ready in advance and then build. Looks like they're doing great, you know? Using screws, just getting her done.
Yeah, I'm getting them all ready. So Tullen and I can hold these boards in there and screw them in, because it's hard to hold the board and screw it and do everything at once. So I'm playing to our strengths, which is that we have 1 genius and 1 pair of hands.
Did you say 1 genius and 1 pair of pants?
Hands, gloved hands, because you're a sissy, dude.
So some people think that screwing decks together is the best way to do things. Screws are not structural and they don't bend. Or galvanized nails with ring shank, they're gonna bend and hold everything together. So we're just gonna go grab our nail gun. Galvanized ring shank gun nails. Galvanized and the ring shanks are very important.
Yep, you're gonna hit these. No, right here. You hit the one when I say go, go. Yep, no, all the way in. That's not far enough. There you go. Oh, whoa. You just wanna suck the board in? Hold on.
You want me to do what to the board?
Okay, right here.
Oop. That's why you keep your hand 3 inches away from the end of the tip of the gun at all times. Then you don't get those nails in the hand. Not that I've ever had one in my hand, which I definitely have. Guess how I learned what not to do.
Half of the battle is not forgetting where you put stuff. Found a pencil. Found a square. Have I been sabotaged? Where's my tape measure? Operating this deck
My
build
freaking pencil
project,
broke.
just like he operates managing this company, shouting orders at me to spend less money. We need to make more money. Hurry! No, not there. Go over there. That's mostly
Our
what
pencil
he's giving me.
broke.
And now he's breaking shit, and inevitably it's my fault.
Tullen, why are you breaking the pencil? Go steal his pencil if you don't mind.
Luke is master delegator. He's also the master of move out of the way, let me do it.
Here, grab those. We're gonna, hold on. How long are those other ones? No, we're gonna use a screw. There we go.
Today I learned how to use a square.
Okay, here, so.
I didn't even do this right, did
so
I?
just take this. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so put that on that line.
Using a screw is a time-honored tradition in the contracting space. All right, Tullen. Yeah, we don't Where we're going, we don't need pencils.
I always am a big fan of doing nails, and then we'll follow up with screws and hangers. Being as how these are display decks, a little less of that going on today. Little more unorthodox builds.
I think you're right. Let's cut this one and we'll just set that one down and then hold this one with 2 hands so it doesn't drop.
Almost did what I tell my guys not to. Use the nose of the nail gun as a hammer. Easy, but breaks your nail guns.
Just waiting for Dad to tell me what to do. Take out the trash. Don't talk back to your mom. Hold this board.
I don't know, I'm a little worried. They're getting their decking down. And I don't drink, so that sounds terrible. 14.2 and an 8. I just keep thinking about drinking this disgusting mixture for a peasant. 14 foot 1.5, so we got a 1/2 inch of difference. This one's a little longer, so I need to move this about a 1/4 inch that way.
Holding a drill without a battery. But I look busy. Actually, what I need is like a broom. I think that's how workers stay. I don't know. Talk in the comments. How do you look busy on a job site without doing any work? We might shoot another one of these videos. Well, yeah.
Get to work!
Oh shit.
How embarrassing. Embarrassing. Okay.
Can somebody adjust the AC out here?
Oh, that's only 8 feet. Give me a little room in between them, please.
Somebody's building a deck, somebody's shooting a YouTube series. I'll let you guess who's doing what. Apparently it's Decks Unlimited. We're about quality, not speed.
That's
Is
right.
that right?
That's right. That's right.
Yeah.
Tullen!
Wow.
Dude!
I'm shooting a YouTube series here.
No,
Luke.
we are building decks.
Hey, Tullen, you want me to show you
How much
something
time
cool?
is left?
Yeah.
The hazards of not cleaning up your job site. Not a happy job site.
Did we check for square on this bad boy?
We don't even need to think about that, dude.
Uh-oh.
We're geniuses.
That might be a penalty. That might be a 2-board
Yeah,
removal.
we check for square. Like I said.
The only square here is you, DJ.
Ooh, that's a good. Okay.
Hey, DJ, do you want to give us... Oh, lumber yards are bad. Oh, look at our board!
Oh, that's a little
I
snoots.
should have called. Might be able to sort this out.
We're at the part of the episode where it gets personal.
We don't label names here. Just lumber yard.
10 feet.
Oh, it's perfect, isn't it, DJ?
Yeah, he hates to say it.
I guess we'll
He
see.
Hates to say it. Doesn't want to admit it.
That's actually pretty good. That's pretty good.
Yeah, because we checked
only-
to see if it was square already. We definitely did that
Yes,
exact same
obviously,
thing.
dude. Come on.
Yeah.
What do you think
I
we
mean,
are?
I just won't finish my sentence then. We're good.
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh, pretty good, but...
But she's a 1/4 inch out.
It's not noticeable to the naked eye. Minion, go hold those sides up. Hold all those boards.
Me, I just want to be someplace where I'm respected, appreciated.
How's that going for you, Tullen?
The job site's not the right place for that.
Yeah.
This is not the location for that.
Just call your mom when you need that. That's what I do.
That's the job site banter I miss.
Imagine doing this when it's 100 degrees.
Well, usually on a job site, you are in the company of other men. Unlike this guy. My point is, you're talking sports. You're having a great time, you know?
Camaraderie.
You see how I'm standing? Just look at how I'm standing. There's a reason I have my toes out on this board. Yes. And then... Okay.
We'll get the whole field laid out, and then I'll go back and we'll screw everything off, and hopefully be about the time I'm there finishing up. We're halfway. Getting close. I don't know if I'm gonna get my borders cut in.
Fallout's always on my end.
Get your shit together, dude. You're killing me here.
Oh, caterpillar.
Yeah. Are you good on your end, Tullen?
Luke, we've got to hustle if we want to finish this.
Building a random useless display deck for someone else.
Whoa! Useless? Is that what I heard? Did I hear that right?
Wow, yeah, sorry, I was a little strong.
What?
Are you lined up?
It's gonna have to suck in. It's like
No,
bent.
but like
Yeah, I'm lined up on the end.
you're on the end good? Okay,
Yeah.
let me put this one in.
Starting to sweat. starting to sweat.
We're barely qualified to do what we're doing. And by that, I mean totally unqualified. I am proud of this deck.
Good size.
It's a nice deck. I mean, look, if someone were to tell me I don't want my deck bigger, I know they're lying. Fucking wonky. Look at how crooked that is. There's no way my mark was that crooked.
Are the pros messing up?
Not even a...
Intimidated by how good we're doing?
I like the way you're carrying that board, though.
The final countdown.
We're getting close. If I had some help, it'd be helpful. But by yourself a little much. My clips keep working themselves out because I've got weighted boards to one side.
Tullen, we're moving. Hey, why is all the boards out of alignment, man? Did you see that nice thing I had going?
Yep.
Pull your board back.
This is so much more rewarding than my actual day job.
I'm not
Getting
gonna
to
lie.
see, hey, we started with nothing
When
and
you
look at us.
never worked with anyone better than Tullen except for every person I've ever
you've
worked with.
Yeah.
I do still feel I got a chance still.
Just like, do you see how I'm standing? This is the only way. Because then you flatten it.
Oh, did you give me the bad drill?
I think they turned them all down. You just got to turn them back up. They turned it down to like 1.
That's the battery. Oh, your battery might, is your battery?
It's got 2.
Oh yeah, you're good. No, so, yeah, where is that? Oh, they popped and then they put you on 1. So like, I like being on 2. Here. Whatever, go to 2.
Sabotage. I'm impressed that they knew how to operate these though.
It might have been Dan.
Draining their batteries a little. Yeah.
Dude, we're unfazable, dude. Unfazable.
Camo X clips are crucial for 45 decking or replacing a deck board or...
We might square up perfectly here. Holy cow, not straight. Eat shit, DJ.
Okay, are you gonna run the saw across these?
Yeah. Well, I'm finishing out the end. One thing at a time.
Tullen, go find a chalk line. Tullen, come over
I found
here.
the chalk line.
Tullen, whatever you're doing is not good enough.
Yeah, I've heard.
You like it?
I like it there, yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
We're done, dude.
Hey, teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work. You done over there? Do all decks always have boards hanging off the edge of them like this?
Here it comes.
Or do you
Here it
eventually,
comes.
I will say, if we had to execute this, I don't know that we would have.
no, we never would have won if we were doing this. We beat you fair and square. We learned a little bit about installing decking.
No, thanks for letting us do this. It was fun.
Appreciate you.
Yeah.
Absolute pleasure.
That was a lot of
All right, we're out of here. Let's go. Look, some people build decks quickly, some people not so quickly. And so we made a friendly wager, and Dan, though he's better than us at building decks, got slightly cocky, decided to 1v2 us, and he got clapped, so he's eating his dinner in a cup. We've got a blended hamburger, fries, and a root beer, all in one. We'll see if it tastes as bad as it looks or smells, because it's not great on any front.
I'm not excited about this, not even a little bit. But
right,
you
come
know
on.
what? DJ really helped you guys a lot. You had to pull him away at one point in time, so maybe DJ should have the first sip since you helped me so much on getting that done.
Okay.
Testing.
Oh, I smelled it the first time. That was better than that time.
No, you just need to take a drink. Don't think about it.
I can't.
It's too thick, you gotta chew it.
Just slop it in there.
That is not good. Okay, that was about as close as I came to throw up all day.
Okay. So you can come a little closer. Skirt the edge.
That's freaking great.
Yeah, just get me. Okay, here we
Throw
go.
out the belly puke.
Oh yeah, there we go.
It's all on your head, dude.
Think it through.
You just have to remind yourself that it's not actually rotten.
fish turds that it is. You know what I mean? That it's just
The first-
because you can kind of taste the burger.
Is it a little bit of lettuce that came up on that one?
I have a terrible gag reflex. So.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Yeah. Just look at how disgusting it is.
The water's not even helping.
All right, raise your glass to DJ and Dan. Good sports from Deck City. They drank the, I don't know, man. This is what it would look like if a 100-year-old tree took a dump in a cup.